Looking for a LB7 Turbo Upgrade Kit? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 LB7 Turbo Upgrade Kit available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect turbo stock LB7 for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Garrett 848,212 5001 Chevrolet GMC 6.6L Duramax. When it comes to your truck, you want to make sure that you are getting the best performance possible. That's why you need to replace your stock oil pressure sensor with the BD Diesel Performance Banjo bolt with cobalt pins and sensor. This part is designed specifically for the 6.6L Duramax LLM, LBZ, LLY engines used in the 2004 to 2010 Chevrolet GMC Silverado Sierra 2500-3500. It includes a banjo bolt, cobalt pins, and a sensor, so you know that you are getting a quality product that will help your truck run at its best. Order today and see the difference that this part can make. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Max Pedingrod's new GT25 GT28 GT2871 turbocharger. There are many benefits to upgrading your exhaust manifold. One of the most important is that it can increase your car's horsepower. This turbo manifold is designed for 1.5L 2.0L engines and is compatible with a wide range of applications. It has a T25 flange and is water and oil cooled. It also has an oil restrictor and comes with a 12 1.25 oil thread size. This manifold is perfect for anyone looking to increase their car's performance. At number 3 on our list, we have the Black Horse Racing Diesel Turbocharger HX35 HX35W Turbocharger. If you're looking to add a turbocharger to your 1999 to 2002 Dodge Ram 2500 or 3500, this is the one you want. It's compatible with the 5.9L engine and offers up to 270 horsepower of power. It also has a standard T3 flange and comes with a Wastegate actuator. The exhaust outlet inlet is 4 in diameter. At number 4 on our list, we have the Turbocharger 667 200 355,565,353 compatible. If you're driving a 2013 to 2019 Buick Encore with the 1.4L 4-liter engine and it's time for a turbocharger replacement, this is the perfect part for you. This replacement turbocharger is also compatible with the 2011 to 2019 Chevy Cruze with the 1.4L 4-liter engine and even works with the 2016 Chevy Cruze Limited with the 1.4L 4-liter engine. A turbocharger can increase the power of your engine by up to 35%. While turbochargers are designed to stand the test of time, they can still develop some issues after a while. If you're experiencing problems with your current turbocharger, it might be time for a replacement. This turbocharger is a direct replacement for the original, making the installation process a breeze. At number 5 on our list, we have the turbocharger for Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra 6.6 liters. If you own a Chevy or GMC truck with the 6.6L Duramax diesel engine, you may be in need of a new turbocharger. If so, you'll be happy to know that this 100% brand new replacement turbocharger is a direct fit for easy installation and is backed by a 1-year, unlimited mileage warranty. It fits 2000 to 2003 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks, plus early 2004 models with the engine code LB7. Note that it does not fit any trucks with a California emissions package, so be sure to check the emissions information label under your hood. At number 6 on our list, we have the Max Pedingrod's new GT25 GT28 GT2871 turbocharger. Turbo manifolds are designed to increase the power and efficiency of an engine by providing a better path for exhaust gases to escape. They are often used in conjunction with turbochargers, which compress the air intake to improve engine performance. This manifold is designed for 1.5L 2.0L engines and has a T25 flange. It is made of cast iron and is water and oil cooled. It also has an oil restrictor and is compatible with a wide range of applications. At number 7 on our list, we have the Max Pedingrod's Universal T3 T4 T04E 0.57 AR turbocharger. A boost in horsepower is always a good thing, and this turbocharger will give you just that. It is perfect for 1.5L 2.5L engines, and it can provide up to 400 plus HP. The boost pressure is adjustable from 7 psi (0.5 bar) to 21 psi (1.5 bar). The exhaust flange is T3 T4 4-bolt and the exhaust downpipe flange is standard T3 5-bolt. The wastegate is external. This turbocharger is made for universal applications, so some modification might be required for your specific vehicle. Professional installation is highly recommended. And finally, at number 8 on our list, we have the JM Turbo compatible for 9603 Audi A4 1.8 TK04 VW Turbo Passat. If you have a 9603 Audi A4 1.8T or 9803 Volkswagen Passat 1.8T, this direct fit turbocharger is perfect for you. With a max horsepower of up to 300 HP, this compressor wheel has 8 blades and a compressor inlet-outlet of 1.75-inch 2.5-inch. It also has a compressor wheel diameter of 38mm 48mm. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.